Your Honor.
We're here at Cowles Mountain.
There's the beginning.
Cowles Mountain is the highest point in the city of San Diego, named after George A. Cowles, a successful cotton dealer known as the Raising King.
Oh, sorry.
Here are our brave adventurers risking their lives to explore this ravenous mountain.
Hakuna Matata. We're out here in the jungle.
We face plenty of hardships throughout our journey, but as experts, we will provide tips on how to survive.
We've been out here for 17 minutes, and we're already about to die. I don't help my interview.
How's it going?
Great. It's our first time climbing a mountain?
Already dead.
Oh!
Cowles is a part of the Mission Hills Regional Park. The park is located within the Chaparral and Woodlands ecoregion.
You know, my grandmother told me not to touch my meningitis, but that's what I do all day.
Teamwork will be especially important on rocky routes. In order to ensure your safety on the mountain path, you may hire a Sherpa to guide you.
Look at them taking the Simba route.
Wakanda forever! This is like me in Skyrim. Just go straight up the mountain. Who cares about the path? Don't go to Irish Dead, just walk up.
The Sherpa's name is Simba.
Good job, Ray. You gotta chill your body so you don't strain your body and die.
Look at those two up there, having this secret combo.
The human body can run hundreds of miles in a day. It's called endurance. That's how we outrun horses.
You can outrun
We can
horse.
outrun horses, yeah.
You can outrun a horse.
In a test of endurance.
You
Not
can
in
outrun.
speed, but endurance. They get tired. We can keep going.
Well, like, if you practice.
No.
The wilderness on this mountain are unblinking, truly terrifying, with unrelenting eyes and shrills of fear.
Damn, it's so hard to stay still.
The trail is also home to many plants and shrubs, such as ambrosia and manzanita.
What was that? You did not just lick my hand.
Ariana,
You did not just lick my elbow.
Shoo! Woo! Yeah! Woo, baby!
Feels great up here.
As the view improves, the road becomes deadlier. One wrong move and it is game over. Remember, we are professionals.
You're professionals.
It would be so awesome if we had all the other billboards and girls here. That'd be difficult. Greetings, a traveler.
Oh, yeah. There is little to no human activity on the mountain, following 1801 when the Navajo murdered 20 young families on the trail. Some say they continue to live, feeding on humans the true key to immortality.
Sure about that? You're welcome, man. Come on. Run away real quick.
Step right up.
This long and arduous climb is around 8 hours at the halfway point.
How you feeling?
No. Coming home.
Some say the Navajo still stalk their prey to this day.
This is not the lifestyle for.
As we approach more difficult sections of the mountain, we recommend taking a break to catch your breath.
Alright,
You do not want to be caught by a Navajo.
you look all the way over
Hey,
there.
we have all the. We have everyone, including +1 for the. Jason. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm too tired to joke to Jason. Actually, no, I'm never tired.
Woo! I don't know what he said.
Give me something more than that, come on.
Ray, you get one more break. When do you want to take it? Do you want to phone a friend? All right.
Oh, at the top?
You trying to go all the way? All the way?
What is it? The break at the top?
You're so. Why did it decide to take a break right here?
How you feeling? Come on, Ray, you're almost there.
Somewhat from here. Don't you lie down for like a hot minute.
Go ahead. Go Ray. Watch out for storms. Ray's ending. Person wants it.
The summit of the mountain contains a 360-degree panoramic view of San Diego County.
Dude, it says keep out. What do you? It says don't kill the plant. It's all apparently it's actually illegal. Go off trail. So don't go off trail.
Pro tip.
Trying to break the bottle?
It's made of steel.
Steel breaks.
Like you.
It's steel breaks.
Yeah.
Let's get that good
Waterfall. No lip touching. Kill it. Kinda, yeah. Sure, it'd be funny if you could. It'd be really funny if you could.
Wait, no, wait. What's that? What's that? Whoa! Take a little tumble. Watch your steps, everybody.
You know, this has been an inspirational walk. I've learned a lot. Walking up that mountain builds courage,
Stay hydrated.
builds determination,
Stay hydrated.
endurance,
Stay hydrated.
and mobility.
hydrated.
You know? No, but now we're going up the mountain. We're going down the mountain now.
Oh.
Look at those karate moves he learned.
Hi, do you have my new prosthetic leg? Ray, you're a quadrupedal. Huh?
What does that mean?
That means he's paralyzed.
Yep.
Make way. And careful. Thomas. I can't feel my leg.